And I have these already printed out. I used these for like labeling earlier, but I'm gonna just remove the stickers, the logo, put it on a box, transfer the lashes, and I'll get back to y'all when I'm done. All right. So, happy Monday. I slept on my back really bad. Um, so, excuse my face. But today we're going to be fixing our Sis Co Lash boxes. I'm going to go ahead and put the labels that I did on the Cricut, tape it on here by hand. Not much to do, and then transfer the lashes into the box. The way these people package it, they put the double lash trays on here, so we're gonna transfer the lash to here, but first do the adhesive. Here's a little trick for people that are testing out to see what they want to use as far as packaging. Me and Sam prefer the boxes. The small square boxes are more reliable than these boxes. It's half in size and it's more durable to hold, especially while traveling too. You don't want like a long box, so it's smarter to have like a little square one. And it comes with these little glitter things, which I'm not opposed to it, but I don't like it. So we're gonna use the leftover from the Cricut that we couldn't press on here. We're gonna go ahead and get this, and I'm gonna adhere it to the gold side. And because I can't make a decision on y'all, to pray for us, okay? I have written the names of I just handwritten them right here, so it's gonna look something like this. Alright, so we're gonna start off with this strip. I just grabbed this strip from the PAL. It has no print or no logo, no label on it. And I'm gonna flip it the backward if you guys need reference. This shade is nude, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember. I have to look back and see. But it's our nude shade, and normally I'll check out if the length is perfect by placing it downwards on here. And don't worry about it, because we're going to use the Cricut cutter. This is the cutter, right? Yeah, it's like a little precise cutter. Damn. We're going to use this little precise cutter thing to slice the excess out. So I'm going to just go ahead and use this picker tool to lift it, to divide the paper, the vinyl from the back paper.
Because that means to me, I'm not in divorce in the past. I'm not rejecting you. I'm not going to change my actions towards you. I still want to see where this goes. None of that is changing. But I have to say I want a divorce.
This board don't even make sense.
To hear you say, I don't want to leave your you. It is his perspective.
I won't understand the impact of it. You said, yes, but you can understand. I don't play.
Y'all too toxic together.
But I hear all those beautiful things for a reason. I really do.
So I'm gonna use this little smoothing tool. And just apply it. Brush it up on the towel. If you want, you get it custom made, but I don't know, I like having my hands in a lot of stuff.
And it does change the dynamic. And that's stupid to me. And I'm not doing that.
Just gonna press it on there. Remove the excess vinyl.
Thank you guys.
So I like this cutter because it's precise.
Right from the start, we have loved watching them get closer.
See, clean cut. And all we're gonna do is cut the cubes, the squares. I don't know why I said cubes. So separate them like this. Oh, hell no, this one's broken. It's just the thing I don't like. Even if we were to pry them, they always seem like extra. So this one's broken, so this.
Rachel is a white. I always pray for. It just feels right. Like it feels right.
Yeah.
I feel like I have it.
Let me get one of the other boxes to here. So I'm gonna place this in here like this. And then we're gonna place the name on the bottom.
And we can enjoy sporty events together.
Place the name somewhere on the bottom somewhere. Box, not broken, the box.
Today, and we just want to take some time and talk to you and find out how things have been.
Go and enjoy doing the common things that not only I like to do, but then
You put it to rest, and you value her more than you value me.
Mary, or do you want to get a divorce? No, I want. We chose to be married, but we didn't choose exactly who we got married to. And this whole marriage, everything seemed so perfect. And then,
Alright, so
I got fooled again.
we're done with this for now. It's not even all the way done. So if you guys want this style, stranger, supernatural,
coming around and seeing this in a different light and understanding your part in this because in this argument, I think eventually helped you have other tough discussions that led to making your marriage stronger. Would you say that this moment actually,
the sheet, it already has the logo
made your marriage stronger?
Absolutely.
on there.
Yeah, after that, I don't know, I felt just more confident in really expressing all my thoughts. You know, like, we can't let things linger. I think that was the proof of this is what happens when you let things linger.
We needed those obstacles to reveal, hey, this is what a true marriage embodies in regards to. It's not all going to be bumps and rainbows and every day is, an opportunity for us to continue to grow as crazy as this experience is, there is no dating involved. It's straight. You're married and you have to work on it. And you have 8 weeks to make a decision.
So you two are working on this to better your marriage, or are you working on this that you still could get divorced?
I think we're getting closer of making it to better our marriage. Just because I was done. At that moment, I was done. And he's like, look, let me just take you out. And I told him, you can take me out, but the spark's not there for me anymore. I was just feeling so exhausted from the constant bickering and arguing. But now, we talk on the phone every night for hours. Spending time together, getting to know each other even more. And that's what we needed. I do see something long term, but I feel like I need to be really, really sure.
Do you want her home?
Her, not her. Yeah. It comes with it, stuff. Yeah. It's a larger empty home, so absolutely.
All my things.
Almost all your sickness in it.
Did Summer Rachel have anything to do with the breakup?
Summer Rachel didn't help for sure. Summer Rachel did a lot of time. She gets bored easily. Brace yourself. I had a lot of trips. Summer Rachel went camping.
There's Summer Rachel. I'm telling you.
Summer Rachel making those trips?
But I don't want it to be Summer Rachel. I want it to be both of us. I want it to be Summer Rose.
Jose, did that open your eyes to the point of maybe you need to come up with some of those dollars and go ahead and spend some money on some trips?
My dream trip right now is Switzerland.
I think the biggest thing that's going to come on is it's a lot of money. I want to set the record straight on that too. If I want to go on a trip and I got the means to do so, she knows that I was going to put us in like a $1,400 hotel with the little thing. So I'm not going to be cheap by any means on any vacations.
Before we broke up, we had booked a trip to Mexico. We were gonna have like our second honeymoon, after decision day. And yeah, you wanted to spend a lot of money on the hotel, and I'm kind of thinking like, no, cheaper. When it comes to traveling, that's where I'm on a budget because I want to do it often. And I realized when you travel, you go all out. So now it's kind of like, there we have to compromise.
Is it one of the things that you feel like